Okay, so today we have Lloyd, also in the Snow Centre in Hemel, and he is doing some straight airs over a small feature. Okay, let's have a look. So, um, in terms of setup, it's a nice straight line in. So straight air, straight line, nice, good stuff. In terms of preparing for the jump, we can definitely see getting lower. So knees, we can't see his knees, but we're assuming his knees are bent. So definitely getting lower, preparing for the jump, which is good. Um, as we approach, we've lost a little bit of that um, lower center of gravity as we approach the jump. So we're quite tall. We'll get quite low, which is nice, and then before we get to the jump, we're losing a bit of that. The timing of the jump is pretty good. So if we can stay lower for longer and then jump same timing but without using all our springs and straightening our knees before we get to that point, and ideally eyes are looking down, so an eye is looking further ahead. So lining is good, lower is good, timing is good. Jump gets some decent air, but when we land, we're landing very much on we're landing very heavy on our nose. So in order to fix this, we need to make sure that when we do jump, that we jump off both feet equally, and that when we're in the air, that we pull both our knees up towards our chest at the same amount to keep it like a stacked center of gravity. If we do one more than the other, you see this knee is now like really, really bent, and this one's starting to straighten. And even more so there, that one's still a lot more bent than there, and that causes your board to land. Because you've got one straight leg, one bent leg, it lands on its nose. The actual getting lower after landing, pretty absorbed it pretty well after like a sketchy jump. It's pretty good. So yeah, I would just say make sure we keep looking ahead. Make sure we don't jump or move our weight too early. Make sure we get into that position before we're jumping. And jump equally off both feet. Suck our knees up towards our chest equally again, and then land. But yeah, it's a pretty good attempt. Try the things that I've said and let me know how you get on. Should be good.